Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best instant read thermometer. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Alpha Grilla's Instant Read Thermometer. Serious grillers know that there are plenty of reasons to be grilling after dark, and this thermometer makes it a little easier with a bright backlight, as well as huge numbers that make it easy to read in any light. The thermometer automatically turns on when you extend the probe and off when you close it again, which is a nice battery-saving feature. It's also water-resistant enough to rinse the whole thing off in the sink to clean it. From barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. A large instant thermometer dial with a bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect digital cooking thermometer for meat. Our digital meat thermometer for food of any kind is water-resistant, IP66 rated, and can be washed and cleaned under running water. Despite the name, the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Thermometer isn't just for grilling. Its temperature range of -58 to 572 degrees means you can take it from deep freeze to deep fry easily. Number 2. ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer. Barbecue dinners often involve back and forth trips to the kitchen, increasing the odds of overcooking. With the ThermoPro TP07, this is a non-issue. It is Bluetooth capable and has an impressive range of 300 feet. You could go next door and still get an accurate reading sent right to your pocket. Plus, it comes ready to use because the transmitter and receiver are already synced. Just install the included batteries, and you are ready to go. There are some impressive features on this model, including a backlit screen that changes color based on temperature. It reads between 32 and 572 degrees Fahrenheit, and has preset temperatures for various proteins, which you can reprogram if you wish. There is a digital kitchen timer that counts up and down to ensure proper recipe execution. The probe is a hearty 6.5 inches long to pierce even the thickest cuts of meat, but also has a step-down tip for quick temperature checks. With all this technology, it is not designed to be submerged in water. Probes can be hand-washed with a warm, soapy cloth and dried immediately. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Instant Read Thermometer. If technology is not your thing, but you still want an accurate instant read thermometer, the OXO Good Grips is a great option. Not only does it come from a trusted brand in kitchen tools, this model is also easy to use and has a serviceable temperature range, 0 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The shaded area of the probe indicates how far to insert for an accurate reading. The face of the thermometer indicates USDA recommended cooking temperatures for various proteins. While this is much quicker than older thermometers, it's not quite as fast as digital models. It can take up to 7 seconds for the hand to stop moving on the dial. However, many reviewers claim that it reads temperatures more quickly than older analog models they've owned. This should not be left in the oven during cooking. It has a silicone ring around the dial for a firm grip for inserting and removing the thermometer. This analog model is bulkier than foldable probe versions, and it may not be as quick as digital models, but it also does not require any batteries, or worry over whether you left it on or not. It is affordable, dependable, and has easy-to-read markings for Fahrenheit and Celsius temperatures. Number 4. Cuisinart Infrared Grilling Thermometer. This thermometer performed much better in our lab than its price tag might indicate. It's really 2 thermometers in one, with an infrared mode that can read surface temperatures from a few inches away and a flip-out probe that can measure the interior temp of meats, sugar temp for candy making, or oil temp for deep frying. Reads up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and can switch to degree C/degree F. Probe can read up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. IR reads up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Either way, it reads extremely accurately and quickly, with a design that's compact and comfortable to hold but big enough that it won't get lost in the drawer. The screen has a backlight, but testers found it easy to read even with the light turned off. The buttons are clear and intuitive for anyone, even beginner cooks. The swivel probe, large display, and dual functionality also add versatility. Though this thermometer looks high-end, it's water-resistant and durable enough to be thrown into a drawer after cleaning. The Cuisinart CSG200 aced all our tests and blew the lab away. The only negative we found is that the screen doesn't rotate, which means it's upside down if you're using the thermometer with your left hand. Number 5. ThermoPro TP15 Instant Read Thermometer. Meet the workhorse of this list. The ThermoPro TP15 is affordable and waterproof up to 1 meter. It also accurately reads food temperatures up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 to 4 seconds. Plus, it has a magnetic back panel that makes storage a cinch. This ThermoPro digital meat thermometer with probe features an IPX6 waterproof rating, meaning you can wash this digital food thermometer under running water with no concerns. Recalibrate digital thermometer for cooking after a long period of use for higher precision, making this a probe thermometer that can last a lifetime. Instant Read Meat Thermometer features a 5 3/8 long food-grade stainless steel meat probe with a precise sensor that provides readings in 3 to 4 seconds with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. There's more to love though. The backlit display makes grilling at night a breeze. It switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It has a calibrate function for greater precision, and it automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of no use. But the best part about this nifty little thermometer is the probe. It is long 5.4 inches, has a needle-thin width, and comes with a plastic sheath to protect the tip. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.